Hey everybody, it's 5 Up here. We are starting this vlog in the middle of nowhere. Nowhere in Mexico.
Yeah, in Mexico.
We got Turbo Warren and Fast Tap 79 with us. We got Todd with us also. They got the ZX12 out and the mighty ZX10. I'm on the Aprilia Tuono, and I don't know, we might shake it up here yet today. What do you think, guys?
Yeah, let's give it a try.
Not bad?
It didn't work out so good. I was pushing the wrong button.
Oh no. Air shifter operator malfunctions.
Yeah, I was pushing the turn signal.
Did you turn automatically or did it shift automatically? It didn't do either, did it?
No. Yeah, I was wondering what happened. I said, shit, I was closer to him than that. Yeah.
Hopefully that thing has a nice fuel cutter, rev limiter.
Yeah.
Oh, that was funny.
Have to try that again.
Yeah, that was a fun roll right there. I like it when there's no oncoming traffic in the bullshit lane.
Yeah, you ain't kidding. Because you never know if they're going to turn left in front of you. Yeah.
Yeah. All I know is I'm always going to be behind you guys, so I got room.
There you go.
I was in your jet stream in your draft. Cole Trickle was going out for a pass, but he just didn't have the right tires. Didn't have those special tires Harry put on for him.
Some shit in the road up there. Hey, hold on, there's some shit in the road. Yeah, it's dead roadkill. Dead something.
It's Michigan's last Wolverine.
Watch out for the old roadkill. Yep.
Aw, Rocky.
The real-life inspiration for Rocket the Raccoon has died. Oreo was a little bandit who made a big impression, becoming the model for Rocket in the Marvel blockbuster Guardians of the Galaxy.
Check out the rap sheet.
Wanted on over 50 charges of vehicular theft and escape from lockup.
That was Rocky. Yeah, it was
Rocky the Raccoon.
Yeah, it was Rocky the Raccoon. Just, the Lord said it was his time. Give her a little blast.
You can't keep it down. I think I was feeling it through third and into fourth, it seemed like. Yeah.
That was a good run.
Yeah, that was pretty good. I just kept short shifting it till it would finally settle down. Yeah.
I think it's, I'm good with you guys up until 150.
Yeah. While we're playing with wheelies.
Yeah. I didn't wheelie that time.
There you go.
I'm gonna flag it for him.
I see his riding skills haven't improved.
No, not at all.
Well,
CBR got him. That's
yeah, I would say anything would have got him.
that's Rob or whatever. God, I forget his name. Really nice kid on CBR. He just picked it up last year. Well, we happen to run into a bunch of guys we know out here while we're doing a little quick run. We got Turbo Busso. Who else is racing down there? Here they come.
Really? That's blowing some oil, that's for sure. Holy moly, smell it? It just blew up.
It's not good.
Holy moly.
Okay, we'll do first gear roll, I guess.
Alright.
Well, I guess they didn't give a fuck about us out here, so. Oh, those are weird feeling.
What's that?
Those are weird feeling.
I hate how people sit down there. It makes me nervous. You ready?
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Missed the gear. Try heading back. I fucked up really bad. I don't know how I missed third gear.
So 60 miles an hour, eh?
I guess. I don't care. I don't know where
What
this is.
RPM you like? You said it.
Okay, well, just come on up here. Right about here, I guess. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. How good are you?
Oh, you made it. You passed the test. You get your cycle endorsement.
Fuck yeah! Well, we just had one hell of a ride. Had a really good time with Turbo Warren and Fast Tap 79. Todd and I had a blast on the Tuono, so as long as all the video turned out really, really good, as I would hope, you'll see that the Tuono is not to be toyed with. That ZX12 with the Muzzy 1270 kit and work that's done to that super fast ZX10 that you've seen in my past videos. This was able to hang with them, never beat them, guarantee that. But the hooligan and the fun factor was really, really good with taking this bike out even with super bikes. So that just goes to prove that these super nakeds are definitely a worthwhile bike or investment, or however you want to call it. If you want to have fun and be comfortable, this bike was awesome all day today. Just performed beyond my expectations. First thing Todd said when we did a freeway roll is he was very, very surprised at how close that this bike hung with those other bikes. So and did it with comfort. And then later on, unfortunately, my battery went dead. But Turbo Warren got to ride this, and I rode a ZX10 for a little while, and he absolutely loved the Aprilia Tuono. So you see the Super Duke's out. We might go for a little ride yet today, a little bit later after I get some food in me, and me and the missus will maybe take the Tuono and the Super Duke out.